What's up guys, in this video I will show you a really cool hardware wallet that will definitely be helpful in safeguarding or adding security to your crypto assets. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so once you receive your CoolWallet, they will be wrapped and sealed with a tamper-proof sticker. Now in the box guys, it will include the card, the charger, and the charging cable. And this is the charger as well as the charging cable. This is the card itself. All right. I hope you could see that clearly. Okay, there. So it has a really nice feel to the card. It feels premium, though it's still a card. Like when you see, it's plastic. So you will see that it has its own LCD right there. See? So this is the button right here, the round one. You will see that round button right here. Okay, so setting up the wallet guys is pretty much straightforward. You just have to turn on the Bluetooth from your phone, and this is the actual application that you need to download in Play Store or in App Store. And then you just need to pair the card into your phone. So the codes that you need for setting it up is going to come out here on the screen of the card. You just need to put that in the application itself. And right now I have already set up my CoolWallet application and I've added some tokens in there already. So I am good to go in terms of making my transactions, sending, receiving crypto in my CoolWallet application. Now, CoolWallet Pro supports 12,000 plus tokens across 27 chains, guys. So you need the application, guys, and this card to make your hardware wallet work. So without one of them, you can actually create a wallet that is like a hot wallet, as it says here in the application up on top. You see there? The one on top says hot wallet. So if you tap that one out, it's like your regular software wallet like MetaMask and all that, which does not require you to have this one. But again, guys, just like what I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this one, the hardware wallet, actually adds security in terms of taking good care of your crypto asset. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and check out the website of CoolWallet and see for ourselves what are the things that I feel you guys need to know about this cool hardware wallets. And as you can see guys, there's a lot of information that you could get out of the website, and I would strongly suggest that you go ahead and check them out, see for yourselves what are the information, what are the benefits, what are the features. Just like what I showed you earlier, I wanted to make sure that I cover everything that you could see, the actual item and the usability of the product. So this is what we have. I'll also show you the products that they have. So they have a lot of cool designs out there, but this is the one that they gave us. So just a quick disclaimer for you guys, CoolWallet sent us the product for us to do an honest review. I'm not in any way obliged to say a lot of good things about them. And at the end of the video guys, I'll give you a summary on the pros and cons of the products and what I think about in general about this one. All right, so full control of your assets in your hands, anywhere, anytime, mobility, it's encrypted connection, Android and iOS to enable the most convenient crypto on the go experience. So that is good because again, it is a minimalist type of wallet. So you could put it inside your physical wallet along with your cards and then bring them anywhere you go. And the good thing about this one is you just have to charge it 2 hours, just like what they say in their website. 2 hours for the first time that you receive this one, and it's good to last for an entire month. But I doubt that it's going to last the entire month. I would still strongly suggest that you guys charge it up once every week. That way you can make sure that if ever you need to go somewhere and you're gonna take a long time in there and you did not bring the charger with you, you're still gonna have enough battery in your CoolWallet to last until you get back home and charge it. All right, so track and send and receive, you could go ahead and check your portfolio at a glance and transact with ease from secure cold storage, marketplace trading features. You have all that as well. You can hold your NFT in CoolWallet Pro as well, and they have powerful inside and out on top of security. So you have more coins. Again, just like what I mentioned guys, 12,000 plus tokens. You could just import, add the tokens that you are using and put it in there. I would still suggest hardware wallet just like this to add up to the security of your crypto assets. Because again, you know, a little investment goes a very, very long way, especially if you have like thousands and thousands of dollars worth of crypto assets. You don't want that to be hacked and then gone in just a few seconds, right? So you have stakings as well. Earn rewards while you hodl. Stake your digital assets in the CoolWallet Pro to mine POS rewards. Proof of stake coin rewards for TRX, XTZ, Sol, Atom, ADA, and Ethereum. I will definitely take advantage of that. I'm that type of person that really likes to, you know, spread the assets around. And if I'm going to hodl it, might as well stake it, right? Instead of just keeping it in your wallet and then, you know, not earning anything out of that. Just stake it somewhere. And the good thing about that is you get passive income. You earn rewards out of just staking your tokens. So next thing, I have upgraded hardware design, more intuitive and secure, enhanced security. You have credit card size. You can go ahead and check them out, guys. These are the specifications of the wallets. It's lightweight, just 6 grams. Again, guys, it feels like just a credit card, literally. Feels the weight is somewhat like a credit card, if not just a gram or two heavier because of all those circuits inside it. So credit card size, 0.8 millimeter, lightweight, 6 grams. You have the Android and iOS encrypted Bluetooth connection, EAL6 plus certified trading features, connect to DeFi and dApps through Wallet Connect, and you have supported 30 plus chains with 12,000 plus coins and tokens. And this one is the one for the CoolWallet S, guys. It's slightly different. Supported 12 chains and 10,000 plus coins and tokens. That's a lot already. But again, if you have that extra bucks to spend, I would strongly suggest that you go ahead and check out the CoolWallet Pro instead. All right. Now, next one, I wanted to go over all the products here real quick. So they have collabs with other projects in there. So you have CoolWallet Pro X MetaVisions, you have CoolWallet Pro X San Benito, and you have CoolWallet Pro X Puppets by Sergey Tukas. All right, they have a lot of different stuff in there as well. And not only do they have these types of wallets, they also have this like Bill Fuddle, CoolWallet Bill Fuddle. You have the charger set. There's also selling that separately. You have the CoolWallet card holder. Okay, so safekeeping. You have CoolWallet S with Binance, so it's a collab between Binance and CoolWallet, and the CoolWallet S X Huobi. So those are the ones that they have, and the prices are right here, $149 for all those pros, and then $99 for all those CoolWallet S models. Go ahead and check their website out, coolwallet.io. The link to this will be in the description of the video. Okay, so this is their website, guys, coolwallet.io. Link will be in the description of the video. They have different products here as well. They have the CoolWallet app, the CoolWallet Pro, the CoolWallet S, the CoolWallet Bill Photo, and all the products that they have. Let's go ahead and check them out. So the one that we have is the CoolWallet Pro. Let's go ahead and check out the prices of their items. And again, guys, so here are the products that they have, guys. The CoolWallet Pro X MetaVisions by Neon Tenic is $149 US. You have the CoolWallet Pro X San Benito, it's $149. Actually, the ones that they have almost all are $149. And the CoolWallet Pro that I have right now is $149 as well. Now, just a quick disclaimer, guys. CoolWallet sent this product to us for us to make a quick review on how this one looks like, what are the uses, how to use them, and all that. But they did not require us to tell all the advantages and all this good stuff. So it is an honest review. I will also let you know the things that I would like it to improve in the long run and the things that I feel needs improvement as well. All right, so the CoolWallet S is at $99. You have the CoolWallet bifolder, the charger set. All right, so the charger as well as the cable is $20. You have the CoolWallet card holder. So you have the card holder as well. Now, those are optional. CoolWallet S Binance chain, so it's $99, and then CoolWallet S X Huobi is at $99 US as well. Guys, I like the minimalistic look on the CoolWallet, which you can place and carry it along to wherever you want to go. So you could pack it up inside your wallet and have it safe in there, and then just pull it out whenever you need to send out crypto to someone else. All right, now this adds more security in your crypto assets, because if ever, hopefully not, but if ever your account gets hacked, they are not going to be able to send out your crypto assets without confirming it using this hardware wallet. Now, however, guys, there are some things that I feel needs improvement in this wallet, like the finger, the button right here, guys. So this is the on and off button. Now, this is the one that triggers. Let me go ahead and press that real quick here. See? So I turned it on. So you have the battery there. You have the code here, the name of the wallet that you have. So those are the things. So this is the name of the wallet, and this is the one that's going to be detected by the application once you pair it with the app that you're going to be downloading. Now, this one, guys, I would like to point this one out, the button, this one, right? So I feel like it's going to break. It's also hard because sometimes you can't feel the on-off button inside there. So it's like a small tacky button that you need to press. Already fingerprint. It's safe. It's accurate. You could put that one instead of this one. And guys, the next thing that I would also like to be improved would be, you know how needs to be charged. And just like what I said, you need to at least charge it once a week. And if you are outside of the house and you did not bring the charger, then that's gonna be a problem for you already. So, and lastly, guys, the charging cable. All right, so you can see here, guys, this is an Android cable. And right now, during these days, we are already transitioning to USB-C type cable. So I was hoping that this is already type C. That way, it's gonna be future-proof and you would be able to use a lot of, like, you just need your cable for your phone and you don't need to bring an extra cable anymore. So those are basically the things that I feel they can be improved. But overall, guys, I would rate this device an 8.5 out of 10 simply because it adds more security for our crypto asset, which will actually make you sleep better at night. And guys, I hope you would stay until the end screen videos. Those videos will definitely be helpful in your crypto journey. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.